Hello students, today we are going to discuss Class 8 Rachna Sagar English Multi-Skill Coursebook Unit 4 Section C Mother to Son. A part. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why does the mother claim that her life has been no crystal stair? Answer. According to the poem, the life of the poet's mother has not been a smooth one. Thus, the mother claims that her life is not as clear cut and shiny and sparkling as a crystal staircase looks like. Question number 2. What words does the mother use to denote the difficulties she faced as she kept climbing the stairs? Answer. She describes her struggles using words like tacks, splinters, boards, torn up, and places with no carpet on the floor bare, symbolizing the pain, discomfort, and challenges she has encountered. Question number 3. What does the mother advise her son? Answer. The mother advises her son not to give up or turn back when life gets difficult. She encourages him to keep moving forward no matter how hard life may seem. Question number 4. Why should the son keep going? Answer. The mother advises the son to keep going as she too is still struggling up the stairway and has not given up. She wants her son to follow her example and continue climbing up the stairway. Question number 5. What do the stairs signify in the mother's life? Answer. The stairs signify the mother's struggle in her life. The tacks and splinters are linked to hardships, and bare, uncarpeted patches signifies or reflect problems without solutions. The stumbling blocks that made her change course is compared to a landing and difficult times when she felt lost or unsure of her path with unlit parts of the stairs. Now, let's move to section B. Read the extracts given below and answer the questions. Number 1. It's had tacks in it and splinters and boards torn up. A part. What is it in these lines? Answer. It refers to the mother's life, which she compares to a difficult damaged staircase. B part. What kind of comparison is being made here between torn up boards and life? Answer. The torn up boards of a staircase can be compared to the absence of all advantages or facilities in the life of a person. C part. How do we know that it is a hard climb? Answer. The mention of tacks, splinters, and torn up boards indicates that her journey through life has been painful and challenging. Now let's move to question number 2. I see been a climbing on and reaching landings and turning corners. A part. Who has been climbing on? Answer. The mother of the poet has been climbing on. B part. What has been the result of the climbing? Answer. The result of the climbing is that she has reached certain landings or moments of rest or achievements, but she continues to face new challenges. Now, C part. What do the landings and corners signify in the speaker's life? Answer. The landings symbolize moments of progress or small successes, while the corners signify new directions or unexpected challenges in life. Now, let's move to question number 3. Don't you sit down on the steps because you find it kinder hard? A part. Who is being addressed in these lines? Answer. The mother's son is being addressed. Now, B part. What compels you to sit down? Answer. The difficulty and struggles in life might make the son want to sit down or give up. C part. What does sitting down symbolize? Answer. Sitting down symbolizes giving up or losing hope when life becomes hard. Question number 4. And I would see still climbing. A part. Who is I and what is she still doing? Answer. I is the mother and she is still climbing, meaning she is still facing challenges and pushing forward in life. Part. Mention the refrain used in this poem. Answer. The refrain is Life for me ain't been no crystal clear. C part. What does the speaker remind us? Answer. The speaker reminds us that life is full of challenges, but we must keep moving forward and not give up. Thank you. Now the chapter is complete. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.